Hey, what's up everyone? Dr. Mike here. We're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for every guy out there, testosterone. Now, you might know it as the male hormone, the driving force behind our energy, muscle growth, and even our competitive spirit. But here's the thing. Studies show that average testosterone levels are declining, and that should be a huge red flag for all of us. Low testosterone can seriously mess with your life, from your physical health to your mental well-being. It can zap your energy, make it feel like you're fighting a losing battle with weight gain, and even affect your mood and confidence. But don't worry guys, we're not just going to talk about the problem. I will share with you my top 3 strategies to counter low testosterone. So if you're ready to optimize your health, feel like your best self, and unleash your full potential, stick around because the last 2 are the biggest red flags. Sign 1, you gain weight, no matter what you eat. All right, guys, let's talk about the first sign that your testosterone might be low. Unexplained weight gain, especially around your midsection. You're hitting the gym, you're trying to eat clean, but that stubborn belly fat just won't quit. Sound familiar? Well, here's the deal. Testosterone plays a vital role in regulating your metabolism. That's your body's engine for burning calories. When your testosterone levels plummet, your metabolism can slow down, making it easier to pack on the pounds, even if you're watching what you eat. It's like your body goes into energy-saving mode, holding on to every calorie like it's going out of style. But it's not just about the number on the scale. Low testosterone can also lead to a decrease in muscle mass, and we all know that muscle is a metabolic powerhouse, burning more calories even at rest. So not only are you burning fewer calories, but you're also losing the furnace that helps you torch them in the first place. And to make matters worse, low testosterone can increase the activity of an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. And guess what? Excess estrogen can actually promote fat storage, particularly in the belly area. It's a vicious cycle, my friends. So if you're noticing that your pants are fitting a little tighter these days, despite your best efforts, it's time to start paying attention to your testosterone levels. Sign 2, you can't grow facial hair. Let's face it, a strong, masculine beard is a badge of honor for many men. It's a sign of virility, maturity, and let's be honest, it just looks good. So what does it mean when your facial hair seems to be stuck in perpetual adolescence? It could be a sign of low testosterone. Testosterone is the hormonal heavyweight champion when it comes to hair growth, especially facial hair. During puberty, testosterone is the driving force behind that transition from peach fuzz to a full-blown beard. It stimulates the hair follicles on your face to grow thicker, coarser, and more noticeable. When your testosterone levels are low, those hair follicles don't get the signal to grow, leaving you with patchy, uneven, or even non-existent facial hair. It's like your body's forgetting to send out the memo that it's time to man up. Now, I know some guys can rock a baby face, and that's perfectly fine. But if you're genetically predisposed to having a full beard, and you're struggling to grow more than a few scraggly whiskers, low testosterone could be the culprit. Sign 3, your fingers are smaller. This next one might sound a little out there, but trust me on this. Take a look at your hands for a second. Specifically, compare the length of your index finger to your ring finger. Believe it or not, the difference in length between these 2 fingers can actually give you some insight into your testosterone levels. Studies have shown that men who were exposed to higher levels of testosterone in the womb tend to have a longer ring finger compared to their index finger. It's called the 2D4D ratio, and it's a fascinating example of how hormones can influence our physical development even before we're born. Now, this doesn't mean you need to rush out and buy a ruler to measure your fingers. And it's important to remember that this is just one piece of the puzzle. But if you notice that your ring finger is significantly shorter than your index finger, it could be a subtle hint that your testosterone levels are lower than optimal. Think about it like this. Your finger length is like a snapshot of your hormonal environment during a critical period of development. It's not a definitive diagnosis, but it's another clue that can help you understand your body better. Now, before I dive into this next sign, I want to be clear that I'm not talking about judging anyone's appearance or promoting unrealistic beauty standards. But the reality is that testosterone plays a significant role in shaping our facial features. And low testosterone can lead to what's often perceived as a more feminine facial structure. Think about the classic features of a masculine face. A strong jawline, prominent cheekbones, and a defined brow bone. These features are all influenced by testosterone. Testosterone promotes bone growth, particularly in the face, jaw, and brow area. It also contributes to the development of lean muscle mass, which can further enhance these masculine features. When testosterone levels are low, these features may be less pronounced. You might notice a softer jawline, rounder cheeks, and a less defined bone structure overall. Again, this is not about judging anyone's looks, but rather understanding how hormones can subtly influence our physical appearance. Sign 5. You don't wake up with a morning wood. Okay, guys, let's talk about something we've all experienced, or at least most of us, morning wood. It's that somewhat awkward but generally welcome sign that everything is working as it should downstairs. But did you know that those early morning erections are actually closely linked to your testosterone levels? During the night, your body goes through several sleep cycles, and one of those cycles is REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement sleep. This is the stage of sleep where we tend to have the most vivid dreams. And it's also the stage where our testosterone levels naturally surge. This surge in testosterone during REM sleep is what often leads to morning erections. It's like your body's way of testing out the equipment and making sure everything is functioning properly. So if you're waking up without that familiar morning salute, it could be a sign that your testosterone levels are lower than they should be. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Mike, I don't wake up with a morning wood every day. Does that mean my testosterone is in the toilet? Relax, guys. It's perfectly normal to not have a morning erection every single day. But if you're noticing a consistent absence of these morning erections, it's worth paying attention to. Sign 6. You are terrified of competition. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. This last sign might not seem as obvious as the others, but it's just as important. Testosterone isn't just about physical changes, it also plays a powerful role in our mood, motivation, and behavior. And one of the key areas where testosterone's influence is most apparent is in our competitive drive. Think about it, testosterone is often called the male hormone or the warrior hormone. It's what fuels our desire to compete, to push ourselves to be the best, and to come out on top. It's that primal instinct that drives us to succeed, whether we're on the playing field, in the boardroom, or even just trying to parallel park in a tight spot. When testosterone levels are low, that competitive fire can start to dwindle. You might find yourself shying away from challenges, feeling less motivated to excel, or even experiencing a decrease in your overall confidence. It's like losing that inner drive that pushes you to be your best self. So there you have it, gentlemen. 6 signs that your testosterone might be lower than you'd like. But here's the good news. You're not stuck with the hand you've been dealt. As promised, there are plenty of natural ways to boost your testosterone levels and reclaim your vitality. But the top 3, here you go. First up, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Remember, testosterone production peaks during sleep, so skimping on shut-eye is like robbing your body of its most potent T-boosting opportunity. Next, make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine. Lifting weights, high-intensity interval training, and even just getting your heart rate up can all help to naturally increase testosterone production. And finally, pay attention to your diet. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods and make sure you're getting enough healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish are rich in nutrients that support optimal testosterone production. So there you have it, guys. Don't let low testosterone hold you back from living your best life. By incorporating these simple yet powerful habits into your daily routine, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels, reclaim your energy, and feel like the best version of yourself. Let's repeat once. 1. Sleep for 8 hours. 2. Exercise 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Eat healthy fats. Make sure to incorporate these habits into your daily routine to boost your testosterone levels naturally.